Hello?
Hello?
Hi, it's Miss Walsh. I'm doing a survey about what ice cream flavors that people like.
Oh my God, Miss Walsh, it's so nice to hear from you.
It's so nice to
Oh
hear
my
from
gosh.
you too. So you have three choices. One of your choices is chocolate,
Chocolate,
vanilla,
vanilla,
or strawberry.
strawberry.
Which one is your favorite?
I really love strawberry.
Okay, great. Thank you
So
so much.
It's so nice to hear. Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay. Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey.
I don't know if you know, but I'm doing a survey about people's favorite ice cream flavors. And guess what I did?
What?
I called a bunch of my friends and I asked some people in my family what their favorite ice cream flavors were. And then come over here and look what I did.
Okay. I love ice cream.
Me too. I did tally marks for how many votes each flavor got. So the first was chocolate, and then vanilla, and then strawberry. And chocolate got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 votes. So I wrote the number 5. Vanilla got 1, 2, 3 votes. So I wrote the number 3. And I have to add my strawberry vote that I just got from one of my friends. So one more tally mark. And then I'm gonna write the number 2, all right? But now I gotta figure out the total number of votes of people that I asked their favorite ice cream. So I'm gonna use my counter right here.
Good idea.
And it's gonna help me figure out the total. So there were 5 chocolates, so I should move 5 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that counts as the chocolate votes. There were 3 vanilla, so I'm going to move 3 across. 1, 2, 3. And then there were 2 votes for strawberry, so I'm going to move 2 across. 1, 2. And how many is that, my friends, if all of them are moved to the side? It's 10.
10.
Yeah, so I'm going to write 10 total votes.
Wow. You have a lot of friends.
Yeah. So what we're going to be talking about today, guys, is something that's called data analysis. And that's a big kryptonite word to describe something that's pretty simple to understand. Just making a graph, okay? So coming close, I'm going to explain to you what that means and how to do it step by step. So in data analysis, step 1 is you're collecting and you're tallying, keeping track of information. When you do data analysis, the information that you collect is called data. Okay, that's that word right here. So things that you might collect information on are like, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Or what pets do you have at home? Or what is your favorite subject at school? Or what sports do you like to play? Okay, so step 1 is to collect that information. So ask a bunch of people, hey, how many pets do you have at home? And then write down their answers, all right? So let's go to step 2. Step 2, you're going to display, which means show, and organize. This is the important part, okay? You're gonna make the information easy to understand when you look at it, okay? So that anybody who looks at the information or the graph can understand the information. So you're organizing your information and you're going to use a picture graph, which is called a pictograph, okay? It just means that instead of writing numbers, you're going to draw pictures to show how many people voted for each ice cream flavor, okay? All right, let's go to number 3. Third thing you're going to do is you're going to observe, all right, which means you're going to look at or analyze your graph to figure out which answer has the most votes, the least votes, or the same number of votes, okay? So let's do it.
Let's do that.
All right. So here's my ice cream survey.
Oh, man.
All right. I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to put them on a picture graph, okay? So, Mr. Lucian, how many votes did chocolate get?
Chocolate got 5 votes.
All right, so if we're doing an ice cream survey, I think I should use ice cream cones as the picture.
I think so.
All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make 5 ice cream cones. I'm gonna start with a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna go over top and do a circle.
Single scoops.
Uh-huh. So that was the chocolate, okay?
Yep.
Now I'm gonna do the vanilla. So how many votes did vanilla have, Mr. Lucian?
Vanilla had 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so I need to draw 3 ice cream cones. So 1, 2, 3, and then I just need to add the scoops. 1, 2, 3.
I noticed
Okay.
that you're drawing them right in line with the ones above.
Yeah, I want them to be in line so I can easily see which one has the most.
That's really good.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna draw strawberry. So how many votes did strawberry have?
Just 2.
So now I'm gonna draw 2 for strawberry. So 1, 2. Then I'm gonna add the tops. Okay. So now what I've done is I've taken the information from my survey and I've turned it into a picture graph, which is really easy to see which has the most votes. Can you tell me, Lucian?
Chocolate, definitely.
Chocolate has the most votes. If you look at it like this, you can easily count that it has the most votes. Because look, if you draw a line down, you can see that it has 2 more than vanilla.
It's really clear.
And you can see that it has 3 more than strawberry.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Chocolate is the best.
You can also like draw a line down each one to make sure that they're exactly in line like that. So you can see that it has 2 more than this one, and this one has 1 more than this one.
And it's really clear that strawberry has the least.
Yeah,
'Cause it has the least number of cones.
So sometimes what we do when something has the most, we give it a plus sign. So we would say plus sign for the most. And strawberry, since it has the least, we would give it a minus sign. So that would be the least. We can also write down the numbers. So 5, and this is separate, 3 and 2. And then you can easily see that, 5 is 2 more than 3, and 3 is 1 more than 2.
And those numbers would always match your tally
Yeah,
marks.
absolutely.
I get it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that, you guys, is how you take a bunch of information from a lot of different people and make it really easy to understand. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned tomorrow for a continuation of our writing and how-to books.
Get out there and analyze that data.
Bye, guys.
Bye, friends.